Do you know that we have songs that boost our confidence? I'm just listening to that one of that. So I just came across the playlist that I was just watching. Like, I'll name the playlist for you. Not the playlist, but then it was the name of the title. Songs that make you feel like you are on the red carpet to boost your confidence. 6 months ago, we just for like 49 minutes. I'm like, great, been listening to that, and I have made my own playlist for to listen when I'm recording something. I am recording with the Raintree. So this video is going to be very tactical when it comes to doing a lot of things. I'm going to use a pen, and we are going to go the topic of the video, as you have seen, was the topic of the video. I'm going to read it out from here. Step-by-step framework to create your level 1 basic course strategies. So you should be knowing what the structure of the whole course and curriculum is in the Academy of Fine Scientists. The level 1 basic course that we speak about is going to consist of 5 phases, and I'm going to go very fast in this one, just sharing the whole game plan with you. What you need to be doing is pausing the video after everything that I say and take a note of it. And I'm not going to share any PDF with you, nothing with you, just phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 and phase 5, so that you just listen to this, pause, take a note, and start creating your courses just like it, because the title of the video is to launch your level 1 basic course. Cool. That brings us on to, we are starting this click. Okay, I just want to put a timer. Like, how fast can I do this part for you? Stopwatch. Boom. So there are going to be 5 phases in your level 1 basics. So we will not talk about the bonuses part of it. We are just going to talk about the level 1, the main course that we are going to pitch as a downsell to the people who did not got into your community, and also as an upsell to people who have registered for your webinar and the workshops. Cool. So phase number 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. Each of the videos, phase 1 is going to consist 5 videos, phase 2 is going to consist 5 videos, phase 3 is going to consist 5 videos, phase 4, 4 videos, phase 5, 3 videos. So phase number 1, we are it's already over here. Now, phase 1 is going to be everything you need to know dash. So if you're into calligraphy, everything you need to know in calligraphy. If you're into dancing, everything you need to know about dancing. Everything you need to know about website building. Everything you need to know that use what your superpower is and keep on filling the blanks. And you have to record the video on this one. So first one is everything you need to know dash. Dash core step before dash. Dash stages of becoming dash. Dash steps of establishing dash. So for example, if you want to establish 4 steps of establishing a calligraphy business as calligraphy as a freelancer, for example, then the 5th one is going to be dash solid ways of finding dash. Cool, you just have to fill in the blanks. The phase 2 is all about understanding dash phases of dash, why dash and dash are important for dash. For example, for me, for one of the videos that I had was why podcast and YouTube are important for your online business. Anyways, the 3rd one is dash reasons why you should have dash. 4th one, when is the right time for dash. 5th one is how being dash will skyrocket your dash. For me, it was how being nerd will skyrocket your online business. So we finished phase 2. 1-2 minutes to phase done. Phase 3 is all about insider hacks to dash. How to choose dash. You can have how to choose products, how to choose equipments, how to choose websites, how to choose colors, how to choose platelets, or the dresses and all. 3rd one, dash checkpoints to dash. Dash ways to deliver what you have promised / dash message to dash your target audience. Phase 4 is going to be literally one secret to dash, or literally dash secrets to dash. Dash ways is more than dash. That's going to be a tricky one for you. How dash should be dash steps to building dash 4 videos. Literally 4 videos. Phase number 5 is all about dash things explaining about dash reasons why to build dash building dash in dash steps. Cool. So this was, we wrap up the video over here. So it took me 3 minutes to record this for you. Cool, makes sense, got it. I just wanted to count the timer off. So this is something that you create for your level 1. This is going to be an upgrade for the people who have registered for free in your webinar. This is going to be working like a downsell upsell over here and downsell over here. People who do not purchase your level 2. Your level 2 is something you're going to sell in your webinar. Remember, like 5,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees of product. When they don't go for the game plan course, you're going to sell them the basic course. Action is anyway the upsell after the game plan. So this basic is like the small little course that you've got for 3-digit number, 3-digit amount. So this is the framework, the structure of what you're doing. You just have to fill in the blanks, put in the number, put in the topics, and start recording the whole course. Now, each video can be for, say, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, couple of videos, everything you need to know about Dash. For example, the first video can be a longer version, say 20 minutes, 25 minutes, where you actually be covering so many things. For one of that video of me, everything you need to know about an online business or building an online course, it is still about 25 minutes. I think one of the longest course videos that I've got. So, based on what you're doing, just fill in the blanks, start recording the courses, start making the money, start launch, and then start making money, because this is good. I've given you the framework. All you have to do is fill in the blanks, script it out, get in front of the camera, start recording it, editing it out, publishing it, making money. Framework is with you. The next video that I'm going to record is, again, I have done a lot of videos on course creation. You can just search for course strategies in the channel, you'll find everything. But if you search for unleashing, the word unleashing word has got more than 43, no, not 43. It has got more than 16 to 17 videos where I go step by step on what goes in day 1, day 2, day 3, day 1.1, day 1.2, day 1.3. But that is a very detailed one. If you want just the framework, just like this one, the framework, just the fill in the blanks, I'm going to record something similar to this one, exactly similar to this one, but then it's going to be for the game plan. So you can search for the same title, but instead of the basic course, you can search for instead of just step-by-step framework to create your level 2 game plan course strategies. You just have to change level 2 game plan course. You will be able to reaching that video. It is going to be a similar version of it. I'm going to record the next video. Cool. This video has been recorded on 23rd of August 2022, 10 p.m. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you there. May peace and blessings be upon you and your loved ones, and go to the work, because I've been giving you the framework, and go. All the best and cheers.